In this video, we're going to be looking at events. An event is each possible outcome of a variable when you're dealing with probability. So there are several different types of events we are going to be taking a look at. The first one is a simple event. Now, a simple event has one characteristic. So this could be seen as a day in January of 2020. So January 1st, 2020. Then you have a joint event. Now, a joint event is characterized by two or more. So a joint event is described by two or more characteristics. So you're saying two plus characteristics. So this could be seen as a day in September that is also a Wednesday. So in a joint, you have two different characteristics. So a day in September and a day that is Wednesday. So this could be September 9th, which is a Wednesday and a day in September for this year. So now what we're going to look at is the complement. So the complement is anything that is not the event. So if you look at this simple event, if this is event A, is a day in January, then the complement to event A would be every day that is not a day in January. So if a Wednesday in January is event A, it would be any day that is not a Wednesday in January would be the complement. So the complement is anything that is not event A. So this is denoted by So the complement is denoted by A apostrophe or B apostrophe or anything with the apostrophe afterwards. The next thing we're going to look at for events is mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive events. So your mutually exclusive events are events that cannot occur simultaneously. Using our examples of days of the year. A mutually exclusive event would be choosing a day from the year. So your A would equal a day in January, and B would equal a day in February. So both of these are mutually exclusive because you can't choose both of them at the same time. You can't be both a day in January and a day in February. So now let's take a look at collectively exhaustive. So with a collectively exhaustive event, one of the events must occur, and the set of events covers the entire sample space. So again, using our calendar example, so choosing randomly from a day in the year. So A is weekends, B So B is weekdays. So B is weekdays. C is January. And D is spring. So events A, B, C, and D are collectively exhaustive, but they're not mutually exclusive because you can choose both a weekend in January or a weekend in spring or a weekday in January or a weekday in spring. But weekends and weekdays are mutually exclusive because you can't be both a weekend and a weekday.